Hey there! Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive in and explore what makes Python such a powerful and versatile language. Alright, let's start with the basics. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It's used in a wide range of applications, from web development to data science. One of the key features of Python is its syntax, which is designed to be easy to read and write. This makes it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. Now let's talk about data types and variables. In Python, everything is an object, and each object has a type. The most common data types include integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Variables in Python are used to store data, and you can think of them as containers for holding information. You don't need to declare the type of a variable, as Python is dynamically typed. This means the type is inferred at runtime. Moving on to control flow. Control flow in Python refers to the order in which individual statements, instructions, or function calls are executed or evaluated. The most common control flow statements are if, for, and while. These statements allow you to execute code based on certain conditions or repeatedly run a block of code. Understanding control flow is crucial for writing efficient and effective programs. Functions are, well, the building blocks of any programming language. They allow us to encapsulate code into reusable blocks. In Python, defining a function is as simple as using the def keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. Inside those parentheses, we can specify parameters that the function will take. Once defined, we can call the function by its name, passing the required arguments. This not only keeps our code clean, but also makes it more modular and easier to debug. Now, let's talk about modules and packages. A module in Python is just a file containing Python definitions and statements. Think of it as a way to organize your code into separate files. By using modules, we can break down large programs into smaller, manageable, and reusable pieces. Packages, on the other hand, are a way of organizing related modules into a directory hierarchy. This allows for even greater code organization and reuse. Importing modules and packages is straightforward, using the import keyword followed by the module or package name. File handling is, an essential part of many applications. In Python, we can open a file using the open function, which returns a file object. This file object allows us to read from or write to the file. We can specify the mode in which we want to open the file. For example, R for reading, W for writing, and A for appending. Once we're done with the file, it's important to close it using the close method to free up system resources. Reading from a file can be done using methods like read, readline, or readlines, while writing to a file is accomplished with the write or writelines methods. Alright, let's dive into error handling. When working with any programming language, errors are inevitable. The key is to handle them gracefully. In Python, we use try and except blocks to manage exceptions. This allows the program to continue running even if an error occurs. It's a powerful way to ensure your code is robust and user-friendly. Now let's talk about object-oriented programming, or OOP. OOP is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which can contain data and code to manipulate that data. In Python, everything is an object, which makes it a great language to learn OOP principles. Classes and objects are the core of OOP, allowing for code reusability and modularity. By using OOP, you can write cleaner and more efficient code. Moving on to advanced topics, Python offers a wide range of features that cater to more complex programming needs. These include decorators, generators, and context managers. Decorators allow you to modify the behavior of a function or class. Generators make it easy to work with large datasets by generating items one at a time. Context managers help manage resources like file streams, ensuring they are properly handled. Mastering these advanced features can significantly enhance your programming skills. Well, we've covered a lot of ground in this journey through Python programming. From the basics to advanced topics, you now have a solid foundation to build upon. Remember, practice is key. The more you code, the more proficient you'll become. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for joining us and happy coding.